Welcome to the highest point between West End and West Bay in Roatan, Honduras. We are near the infamous chocolate factory, the lighthouse, and many other wonderful little tourist stops. Let's take a tour of not just the north side like we have been, but we're also going to look at the south shore, which is what we're actually looking at right now. So we are at the top. The biggest building that is of note would be the Roatán Chocolate Factory, or Arahini, which has several units available if anyone is interested. But what's nice is here, actually, this is the North Shore. This is the Banks area, and you can see West Bay all the way. We have not quite made it to West Bay yet, but you can see Infinity Bay with all the way in the front where the water looks really shallow, and you have the orange tile roof. And what's nice, well, I love showing all of the trees that are still there. You can unfortunately see a decent bit of, there's what's important to note, or what I would like to show, there's a lot of construction going on. However, I'd say some people are following the rules with the canopy and respecting the island. Others are just kind of bulldozing through it. This might be an example of it. As we kind of fly over Arahini, right there has a nice rooftop pool. Lots of units are available. With this, it's also available for rental, and it's professionally managed, but many units there. And it just shows you how beautiful and green and luscious this beautiful island is. Right there, you can see the bay. Over to the left-hand side, that is actually Half Moon Bay, or is that Mangrove Bight? I think that's actually Mangrove Bight, and then you're going to get Half Moon Bay over slightly to the left. So you can kind of see we're still in the interim between West End and West Bay. But there we go. Yep. Nope. Actually, that's Gibson Bight, Mangrove Bight, and now Half Moon Bay. And now we're looking at West End. If you're looking at where the ocean sits, so you can see the little bit more dense population with houses and condos that are supposed to be only to 4 stories or underneath the canopy, which where a lot of the houses over here do respect those rules. But just so you get a better understanding of what is in Roatan. Also, what you cannot see where I'm at is this is where a lot of zip lines, a lot of tourist activities is in this area, because this is at the highest point, one of the highest points on the island. So it's great for all those zip linings. You have Gumbalina Park. You have several activities. This is kind of, the high ticket item areas, or for the tourists. It doesn't even have to be tourists, but the fun things to do for kids or adults is over here. Now we're looking at the South Shore. This is Pirates Cove, which we are going to do the video of next, just to kind of give you a better perspective of this area, which is partially a new development. What's nice is the owner around has a lot of land and seems to be respecting the island. And the next video we do of this Pirates Cove near Flowers Bay is looking at some of the old carved out pathways that islanders used to go fishing and go be able to get into the coves when the Iron Shore you can't really walk on, but I can't speak to how long ago it was, but those little roads were carved out so people could get to be able to fish and to swim in the waters. And it's really cool, and it's nice that they've kept that history still alive and are maintaining those pathways, which is really nice to see. And just it supports the history of the island instead of just kind of bulldozing it and developing it. So it is still a beautiful day. If you ever have any questions about Roatan, my door is always open. And these videos just serve to show you how vast the island is and all of the different areas of the island that you can go to and all the different neighborhoods, because there's so many different neighborhoods all around on the North Shore, the South Shore. And, it's really, there's no one size fits all, but there's lots of opportunities on this beautiful island. So I hope you enjoy Roatan as much as I do. And my door is always open, and let's just hope that the island stays as green like this as long as it can. So thank you guys for tuning in. Have a wonderful day.